Good morning everyone. As you can see, I am back in London and today is going to be a bit more of a vlog day, so welcome back to Antony. So today I've got a really busy day. I am actually working in the morning until about 11 o'clock and then I need to nip into London because I'm meeting one of my suppliers and we're going to go for a research and development kind of shopping trip. So what we're going to be doing is looking at anything that's new out there. We're going to be looking at the shapes, the silhouettes, the fabrics. We're going to be looking at loads of different stuff and it's really exciting because it's the first time I've actually met the supplier in person. We've had a lot of Zoom chats and everything, so I already feel like I know them a little bit, but yeah, it's going to be actually really good to put a face to a name. Well, not a face, but like, because I've already seen them. It's going to be nice. Well, it's not a face to a name now, is it? Well, anyway, it's going to be nice to see them in person. It's currently 8:30 and I've got a lot to get on with. So I've just got home from Stoke-on-Trent, so I've got loads of washing to do and lots of stuff that I want to do before I actually go out today. So let's get on with the day and also go and make a coffee. Okay, so some chores are done. My room is an absolute mess, but I'm not even going to deal with that right now because I've got loads of work to do. So I'm going to crack on with bits before I actually have to leave. I need to put my washing out as well, so busy morning for me. Alright, let's crack on.
Do you want to maybe go get that sample you've got, Nick, just to show us at the end, maybe, so that we can see.
Okay, so it's almost time for me to leave now, but I just need to go and put out some washing before I actually go because the weather is amazing and I don't want to miss out on drying loads of washing. But yeah, so this morning I've had quite a few meetings. I've had 2 different fit sessions, one for nightwear and one for jersey. I've also been working on a few Father's Day cards for next year, so obviously we design a year in advance, so yeah. Been working on the Father's Day cards for that, and what we do is like a mini set and an adult set, so the kids can wear something and buy it for the dads, and so it's really cute. So been working on them sets today, sent them to the supplier, which is good, and I'm also working on some trends for next season. So it's not next season, it's actually July, August for next year. So working on them trends, need to get that done today because I need to do the jersey, the athleisure, and I need to do a casual story as well, all by next week. So it's go, and now I'm gonna go and meet a supplier. But first, I'm gonna put some washing out. Okay, so all the washing is hung and now I'm ready to go into town. Hopefully this dries by the end of the day, but it is a really nice day, so hopefully it does dry, we'll see though. But yeah, I'm gonna go and head into town and do my day of inspiration shopping. Okay, so I'm on my way to Oxford Circus to go shopping in London. So plan of action for the day is we'll go to a couple of shops, we'll probably go to maybe Selfridges and work our way down Oxford Street, and then we'll probably go for lunch somewhere and have a nice little meal and a catch up and all of that, and then we'll carry on doing shops, seeing what's out there, all of that sort of stuff. You've seen me do it before, but yeah, it'll be really good to meet these people and see what's going on. Okay, so we've spent a couple of hours now looking through the shops. We've been in quite a few different ones. I think we've just finished Carnaby Street, finished an End, which was really good. And then we also went into Cole Buxton, which really nice brand. So now we're just gonna go and get some lunch. Well, it's not really lunch, it's more like mid-afternoon food. And then we'll crack on. I think we'll probably go on till maybe 7, 8 o'clock at night and just see what's going on. So yeah, let's get some lunch. Okay, so we've just finished eating and oh my god, that pizza was amazing. We're gonna go to a few more shops now. We're gonna go do Liberty's Palace, all of that sort of stuff, and then we're gonna head up Oxford Street and then do things like Selfridges, Massimo Dutti, all of that sort of stuff. So, cracking on with that. Okay, I am back. Wow, that was a really successful day. I saw loads and loads out there. Unfortunately, my camera ran out of battery by like about 6 o'clock, so I didn't really get to record much after that, but honestly, you didn't miss much because it was basically just going to different shops. We went into Massimo Dutti, we also went into Selfridges, walked back, went into Mango, you know, we went into loads of different shops. So overall, really successful day. I think key takeaways from the whole day is anytime I go shopping, I'm always looking for something specific. So today it was jersey. And what were the new fabrics? What were the new shapes? What were the new trims and details and all of that sort of stuff? There was actually quite a lot out there. In terms of trims and details, it did feel very the same. So there was, you know, there was a lot of interesting draw cords and things like that. There was actually some really nice dipped cord techniques, so rubberized dipped ends, which was really nice. And then in terms of shapes and silhouettes, there weren't really loads of new shapes and silhouettes. I was still looking at jersey, joggers, hoodies, sweatpants, tracksuits, t-shirts and all of that, and all of them shapes remain the same. But what was interesting was the fabric techniques that was being used. So across the market, there was a bit more of a smarter edge to the fabric that was used on jersey. So they were looking at slightly more scubas, maybe a bit more interlock fabric, which was really nice. There was some nice jersey loop back, which was really cool. Yeah, there was loads of interesting different techniques on the back of the fabric, which made it feel a little bit more luxury. So it almost looked like a borg, but a very fine borg, the way that it was done. Anyway, overall, really good day at the shops. We've made plans in the future, so I'm gonna go up to Manchester and visit the supplier, and then we can do a day looking at the fabrics that they've got there, and then also maybe do a day at the shop. So that'll be really good. Maybe I can take you along on that day as well. If they'll let me film in the office, I can ask them, but we'll see. But overall, a successful day, really enjoyed it, and really this is kind of day-to-day work. So, you know, meeting with suppliers, going on shopping trips, doing emails and fits and all of that sort of stuff. You know, it's kind of a bit of a look inside the day-to-day life of a fashion designer. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and I'll do more videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, as it really does help my channel to grow. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.